Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to fix or basically make this sign up to work. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump to the, let me just close all of these things. Let's jump to the here to our author app or authentication app, whatever. So let's go here, views. So on the top, let's create a new view. Let's call this view site nav info. Right? Take a request, and then let's get the user. So request that user. Let's give me a variable. That profile for now will be none. Fans. None. And then follows none. You will see why. So first, let's check that the user is authenticated. So if request that user that, or if user that is authenticated, if the user is authenticated. So let's get the nav profile. So that profile will be profile dot objects dot get, and then user will be user. Now let's get the fans. So the fans we get it from, let me see if we import it. No, here. Subscription. So the fans will get it from subscription that objects that filter, and then for let me check. Subscribe to who? To the user, of course. And then we put count, and then follows, kind of the same thing, but in this case is the person, is the user, the subscriber. Okay, so count. So after that we just return all of these values that we got. So not profile will be not profile, fans will be fans, follows will be follows. Done. So now we can just go to the settings file here, and then actually now we can just put index here. So let's just put index because we got index. Save that. So now let's here in our templates in context processor. So here we're going to create a custom context processor, which basically it will be the our site nav info. So here let's just put audit.build that, let me get the name right. Okay. Our custom one, let's save. Now we can just go to our base file here, and we can start modifying our base file. So this is the let me check. Here, this is the sign up. So let's go to the index. Why to the index? Because I want to get this. Okay, let's copy this. Let's put it here. Oh, that's the background. This is the user. Let's put space, space. This is for the user profile. So here. Okay, that's for the user. So here we get the profile picture from the nap. So nap profile. Let's copy this. Yeah, if that profile, la 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 la, and let's move this here. Now with the background, which is a banner. Oops, that profile, that banner, that URL. Else so if we don't have a banner, let's just put our static. Oh, we don't need this. Yeah, our static img. Let me check. Yeah, nope. Okay. Okay, let's save that. Oh, we need to close it. Okay. That's for the banner, that's for the picture. Now here. So nav profile that user that first name. Nav profile that user that email. Okay. Okay, so that's for the. Let's save that. Oh. Yeah, we forgot to put an if here. Okay, nice. Oh, I think we messed it up with the last name. Let's check. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is the last name. So we need to fix this. Okay. So the first one will be the fans. Let's put a star. Let me check. Kind of like the fans count. Let me just. Oops. Down here we just type fans to get the fans, and then like. kind of like that. 0 fans. Okay, let's give it some space. Let's copy this, paste it over here. This will be follows. Okay. Follows or following? Maybe following. Subscribe to one person. Sweet. Let me check. So here, let's put people. Yes, one person, 0 fans, one person following. Sweet. So let's put the subheader. Let's put me, and then basically here we can have. Let's copy this one. Let's copy this one, paste it over here. My profile, and then put person. Me, my profile. And then we can have, this is kind of like how it is in the app. So I'm just kind of like putting it that way. So this will be the bookmarks. So the bookmarks are like the posts that are saved by the user. Bookmarks, yes. Bookmarks, and then we will have a list, like a custom list with basically like favorite users or like people that the user want to save in one list. Or yeah, let's just put list, and then here let's search for this one list. Oh, no, here. Okay, bookmarks, list, and then let's put so let's copy this whole thing. So the app have like pay payments. These ones are like fictional. They're not going to work, of course. And then because we're not going to work with the credit card, because we're not going to handle like payments and stuff like that in this tutorial. So let me check. Yeah, your cars, they have that, and then also they have like a bank thing. Oh yeah, account balance. So your bank, something like that. I don't know. What was the name of the thing? Oh, account. Let me see. Account. Yeah, account balance. Account balance. So now, yeah, let's have copy this one, put it here, right? And then just have like a logout button or something. Let's copy this one. That's the login. Yeah, let's put the power off. Power off. Let's put log out, and then let's make it work. So, oops. URL, and then log out. And here we go. Let's refresh, and here we have 0 fans, 1 follow. You can change the if you want the sign up to open to the right, you can do it here. Sign up. You can only have like all the options here. Let me see. Yeah, here, you see. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. So yeah, we got all that stuff, and let's make my profile to work, right? But let's go to my profile. Let's fix this URL. Let me check. I forgot. Oh no, it's not here. It's here. Yeah. Profile. So here, net profile dot user dot username. Very much. Let's refresh. Wait. Oh. Yeah, we put the wrong the wrong tag. Okay, and then we go to the profile here. Beautiful. But yeah, in the next video, we're probably going to work with the bookmarks and deletes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.